Okay, so what's up guys, welcome to Fire's channel, and in this video we're just gonna be making a video on architectural plan review. Like, let's just talk with ourselves or share ideas on what is actually should be in an architectural drawing or an architectural plan, or whatever you want to call the document to be. So the first thing you actually have on your drawing is the front page, where you have the proposed residential design for the name of the client, the location, and that is what you actually need to have on the first page. So the second page, you have the location map. The location map is just for people or anyone to be able to locate where you have your site to be situated. So I can actually get to the site by looking at the location plan. So moving to the next one, you have your site plan. The site plan is just to give analysis on what is gonna be on the site, the areas of the site, which is just the site analysis that we have here, which I'm gonna be making a better explanatory video on. So you can make sure you're subscribing to my channel and like this video, just for you to have notifications on the latest video that I make. And before I move on, I'm gonna be making a shout out to Matrix Graphics, because he has been adding positive things to the channel and other people like him too. So I just want you guys to keep doing the good work you're doing, and let's just keep going. So moving to the next drawing, you have your ground floor, or that is what it is called, the ground floor plan. So you have the ground floor plan. The ground floor plan is just to show the design, the architectural design that you want to build, or what you actually want to build on the plan. So let's just move to the next one, which is the first floor plan. The first floor plan is just because this building is gonna be a kind of a two-story building, like a two-floor structure. So you need to have the first floor and the second floor. So this is just the order plan, or the order drawing, showing what you will have on the first floor, So moving to the next one, you have your roof design, your roof plan, and the roof details here. So I'm gonna be making a lot of videos on stuff like how to draw your roof, and knowing where the valley and the ridge cap, the gutter or the valley, anyone you will call it. So I just want you guys to keep watching. So the next one you actually need to have, or the next drawing you will be having on your architectural plan, is just the section. Like you have the section BB, the section AA, like cutting through your plans and then looking up towards this side, or looking towards this side. So this is what you actually have on the section. And moving to the next one, you have your elevations. So you have your approach, and the next drawing you have your approach, your side elevations, and then lastly you have the details, like the details. So I want you guys to please subscribe to my channel, and a shout out to Graphics Matrix, or Matrix Graphics, I don't know, but I just, the guy has just been doing things for the channel. So I want you guys to please like this video, comment down below, and let's just keep learning. So this is the whole thing we're sharing today. Just want you guys to subscribe. Thank you all.